So this video is going to be on how to do it yourself and sort of replace a missing tooth, at least something, temporary. It's not going to be 100% 24/7 replacement inside your mouth. It is going to be part-time, but this is great if you are missing a tooth in the front of your mouth and you just need to cover it up, say in the daytime for work or for special occasion, for anything. But it is something that you're going to have to pop out maybe at the end of the night. I wouldn't recommend you sleeping in it or anything, but these little beads. Now this is pretty much all it comes with, just with this and the instructions, because everything else is stuff that you have at home, like the water, boiling these. We're going to show you guys in a second how to form the tooth, but this should, I believe it said that the materials, these beads are enough to do at least 10 teeth. So you might have some fails, but if you're just missing a few teeth, you'll have enough with this kit to go ahead and make replacements. So as you can see right here, you drop the beads into the hot water and you wait until they get clear and they get sticky, and they will stick to each other, and that's when you know that you can take them out of the water and start shaping it into the shape of tooth that you need. So right here we're just giving it a minute so it can get more sticky and it'll be easier to shape. Okay, now we're taking it out of the hot water, and my friend is about to start shaping it into a tooth. And this was the first time, so you will have a lot of fails. Can be difficult to shape the tooth, but the great thing about it is if you mess up on one tooth and it hardens, you can just stick it right back into the hot water and reshape it. So he needs it for a front tooth, and he happens to have a small mouth, so the first tooth was a bit too big, the one we're seeing him shape right now. And the way that you want to do it is you want it to be longer than what you need, because as the instructions say, when you're shaping it, make it long, so that way when you fold it to go in the back of your teeth, you can push it onto the two teeth on the side. I hope that makes sense, but it'll help it to stay better. But he found that that was a bit uncomfortable, so he made the second tooth smaller. But as you can see, it's all just about shaping it for what you need. He's trying to make it comfortable. And he actually said that he recommends you guys to close your mouth at some point while you're shaping it, just to make sure it won't be too uncomfortable when you close your mouth. So he's just shaping it right there. And then after, if it's a good fit, you can just drop it right back into the cold water, and it'll completely harden and it will turn white. Now, if your teeth are not white like the beads, the pamphlet does say that you can add tea to the water that you're melting the beads into. You can add tea, and it's all about trial and error, trying to get the right color that you need. So that will change the color. I mean, it can't be promised that it'll match your teeth exactly, but honestly, it's a great way to fix a missing tooth, especially if it's in the front, because dental work is extremely expensive, and that's why we wanted to make this video, because not everyone has dental insurance and thousands of dollars to throw away on just one tooth. So as you can see, it's a funny shape. That right there is the front, and you can see in the back of the tooth is a lot larger, because they recommend you to shape it so that way it'll even cover the two residing teeth on each side of your missing tooth, so it'll just snap right in. But he actually made the second one without having it so large in the back, and it actually fits better and it pops right in. and he has no issues with it falling out while he's talking. It like clips in, so that's the real neat thing. So as you can see, it just clipped right in, and it looks a ton better than it did before, and it's all about getting the right color that you need for your teeth. He actually was planning on whitening his teeth so it'll match better, but that was the first try and it came out pretty good. So it's all about trial and error. If you mess up, it's fine. You can remelt the tooth and shape it to what you need. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped you out. It's horrible missing teeth, and this is just something that'll give a quick cosmetic fix. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.